Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to add an activity, phase, wave, and milestone within a project in the project's application of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on any project and navigate to the planning board of the same. The planning board with the existing items, activities, waves, and all the items will be present. Once the user can add a new wave, phase, or an activity by simply clicking on the add button that is present here. One thing to be noted is that any item or wave or activity or phase can be created only under a main project that is already being created during the creation stage of the project. Under item level, a wave can be created by simply clicking on the wave option and typing in the necessary particulars. Once all the particulars such as the type of project, the term of payment, and the posting type is mentioned, the user can submit the same. And the wave is created. Similarly, under a wave, a new phase can also be created by simply clicking on the phase button and typing in the details about the phase. A phase is nothing but splitted up time periods for the whole time period of the particular project. One more point to be noted is that within a single creation page, multiple items, phases, and activities can be added, and also existing ones can be removed. Once done, particular item is created. Now, in order to create an activity, the user can simply click on the activity and type in the necessary particulars. Activities are non-billable but contribute to the completion of a particular item which is under a project. Once all the details are entered, the user can submit the same. Now, in order to create a milestone, the user need to click on the activity section, type in the necessary details, and click on the convert to milestone checkbox in order to convert the activity to a milestone. Since activities are non-billable, but milestones are activities that are billed. The milestone value is entered and the same is submitted. These are the various types of entities that can be created within a project. Thank you for watching.